We want to assess if the cutting steaks process is on target at 400 grams and whether the process is stable over time. Select Stat menu, then Control Charts, then Variables Charts for subgroups and X bar R. In the dialog box, select Weight, under All Observations for a chart in one column, and Date in the subgroup Size field. Click the Scale button in the new dialog box, select Stamp and choose Date in the Stamp Columns field. Click OK. Click the X bar R Options button, then type in 400 for the mean and 8 for the standard deviation. Click on the Tests tab and select Perform all tests for special causes in the drop-down menu. Click OK twice.